Welcome back to Circuit Sensei, the place where technology and entertainment meet. Today we're diving into the groundbreaking world of AI with a new large language model called MPT-7B. Are you ready for a fantastic journey into the future of artificial intelligence? Let's go. MPT-7B is the latest addition to the MosaicML Foundation series. It's a transformer model that has been trained on an astonishing 1 trillion tokens of text and code. What sets MPT-7B apart from the rest is its open-source nature and availability for commercial use. In terms of quality, it's on par with the LLaMA 7B. MPT-7B was trained on the MosaicML platform in just 9.5 days, with absolutely zero human intervention, costing around $200,000. Starting today, you too can train, fine-tune, and deploy your own private MPT models, either using one of their checkpoints or starting from scratch. That's not all. The creators of MPT-7B have released 3 fine-tuned models to inspire your creativity: MPT-7B Instruct, MPT-7B Chat, and MPT-7B Storywriter 65K+. That last one is particularly exciting as it uses a context length of 65,000 tokens. Just imagine the stories it can weave. The MPT-7B Instruct model is designed to provide detailed instructions, making it perfect for developers and tech enthusiasts. MPT-7B Chat is tailored for creating conversational agents, while MPT-7B Storywriter 65K+ opens up a world of possibilities for authors, screenwriters, and creative thinkers like you. Now let's discuss how MPT-7B is breaking barriers in the world of large language models. You see, training and deploying LLMs can be challenging for those without access to well-resourced industry labs. Many open-source LLMs have emerged, like LLaMA from Meta, Pythia from Eleuther AI, StableLM from Stability AI, and OpenLLaMA from Berkeley AI Research. MosaicML's MPT series aims to address the limitations of these models, offering a commercially usable open-source alternative that can go toe-to-toe with LLaMA 7B. It's licensed for commercial use, trained on a massive 1 trillion tokens, optimized for long inputs, and designed for quick training and inference. MosaicML has released the base MPT-7B model and 3 fine-tuned variants: MPT-7B Storywriter 65K+ for long narratives, MPT-7B Instruct for short-form instruction following, and MPT-7B Chat for dialogue generation. You can find these models on Hugging Face with various licensing options. MosaicML has also open-sourced their entire codebase for pre-training, fine-tuning, and evaluating MPT models, providing a comprehensive framework for creating powerful LLMs with ease and efficiency. Before I show you what this model is capable of, if you've liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. More content like this is coming soon. Now back to our subject. MPT-7B was trained entirely without human intervention on 440 GPUs for 9.5 days. MosaicML's platform detected and resolved hardware issues, and its optimized architecture prevented catastrophic loss spikes. So, what exactly is an MPT, and how does it compare to ChatGPT? MPT, or Mosaic Pre-trained Transformers, are GPT-style decoder-only transformers, with several key improvements, like performance-optimized layers, architecture changes for greater training stability, and the replacement of positional embeddings with alibi to eliminate context length limits. These modifications allow MPT models to be trained efficiently without loss spikes, and can be served using both standard Hugging Face pipelines and faster transformer. MPT-7B, the base model, matches LLaMA 7B's quality and outperforms other open-source models in the 7B20B range on standard academic tasks. MPT-7B's performance was evaluated using 11 open-source benchmarks for in-context learning, as well as a self-curated Jeopardy benchmark to test its ability to produce factually correct answers. As you can see in Table 1, MPT-7B and LLaMA 7B have similar quality across all tasks, with each model scoring highest on 6 out of 12 tasks. Both models outperform other open-source language models, even those with much larger parameter counts. To ensure fair comparisons, all models were re-evaluated using MosaicML's open-source LLM Foundry evaluation framework, with the same prompt strings and no model-specific prompt tuning. The evaluation setup is 8 times faster than other frameworks on a single GPU and can seamlessly scale with multiple GPUs. The open-source model has been trained 3 times differently. The most impressive is MPT-7B StoryWriter 65K+. StoryWriter is a model designed for extreme context length adaptation, thanks to LLaMA, one of the key architectural choices in MPT-7B. While most open-source language models can only handle sequences of up to a few thousand tokens, MPT-7B StoryWriter 65K+ can handle context lengths up to 65K tokens. StoryWriter was fine-tuned from MPT-7B on 65K token excerpts of fiction books from the book's 3 corpus. Using Composer with FSDP, activation checkpointing, and a microbatch size of 1, the fine-tuning process took only 2,500 steps. As an example, StoryWriter was able to read the full text of The Great Gatsby, which is just under 68K tokens, in about 20 seconds. Despite its slower typing speed of 105 words per minute due to the long sequence length, LLaMA allows the model to extrapolate to even longer inputs than it was trained on, up to 84K tokens. In Figure 2, you can see an epilogue written by MPT-7B StoryWriter 65K+ for The Great Gatsby. This demonstrates the potential of this model for handling incredibly long context lengths and generating creative content. Without further ado, let's see what these models are capable of. There are 2 free space to try the chat and instruct models. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to try. In the chat space, you can ask question to the model trained on almost 400,000 samples of conversation. I tried asking a few things to the chatbot, and as you can see, the answers are good. The instruct model were trained on about 600,000 instruction samples. I asked it to write codes for fetching the latest tech news, and it didn't work so well. The code didn't run well on the first time, nor on the second time. It also really likes The Verge for some reason. So what are you waiting for? It's time to explore the infinite potential of MPT-7B and revolutionize the way we interact with AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Circuit Sensei for more amazing content on cutting-edge technology. Thanks for tuning in to Circuit Sensei. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of technology.